2025 Part 2 of Canadian Citizenship Reviewers. Part 2 is history. So people who lives from farming and hunting, they are called Huron-Wendat. People who lives through hunters and gatherers, they are Creed and Dean. Nomadic following bison or buffalo herd, they are Inuit. Arctic wildlife, preserved fish, dry smoking fish, they are Northwest natives or West Coast natives. Number 37. First European to reach Newfoundland and Labrador, they are called Vikings. And from Iceland, Ons or Meadows means remnants of settlement. Who was the first to draw a map of Canada's east coast? Answer, John Cabot of 1497. Number 38. In 1608, he built a fortress, what is now called Quebec City. Answer, Samuel de Champlain. Number 39. Who and when was Hudson Bay Company granted trading rights? Who? That's King Charles II. When? That's 1670. What do you call skilled and courageous men who travel by the canoe? Answer, voyagers and coureurs de bois. Number 40. He made 3 voyages across the Atlantic, and he heard an Iroquois word, Kanata. What's the meaning? So the one who made 3 voyages across our Atlantic is Jacques Cartier, and Kanata means village. The year when name Canada began appearing on the maps? Answer, 1550s. Next table, question number 41. When did British defeated French? British defeated French 1759. And then what battle and where? Who are the commanders? So British defeated French in the Battle of the Plains of Abraham in 1759. And then the commanders are James Wolfe and Marquis de Montcalm. Number 42. Who built a French empire in North America from Hudson Bay to Gulf of Mexico? So there are like, answer, Jean Talon, Bishop Laval, and Count Frontenac. Next is 43. What do you call people who were loyal to the crown, who fled the American Revolution to settle in Nova Scotia in Quebec? They are called loyalists. And who led the loyalists to Canada? Answer, Joseph Brant. Next question, 44. New British colony for freed slaves? Answer, Freetown, Sierra Leone, or West Africa. Next question, 45. Where was the first representative assembly elected? Answer, Halifax, Nova Scotia. What act divided the province of Quebec? Is the Constitutional Act of 1791. It divided the Upper and the Lower Canada to Ontario and Quebec. It also granted Canada for the first time legislative assemblies elected by people. So that's Constitutional Act of 1791. Next question, number 63. What marked the end of French Empire in America? What marked the end of French Empire in America is the Battle of the Plains of Abraham in 1759. Next question, number 64. Who is Loyalist military officer who led the Upper Canada to become the first province in the empire towards abolition of slavery? Upper Canada's first lieutenant governor as well, and the founder of the city of York or Toronto. Answer is John Graves Simcoe. Next question, number 65. When did British Parliament prohibited buying and selling of slaves? Answer, 1807. 8 slaves here, 7 slaves there. Next question, number 66. When was slavery abolished throughout the empire? Answer, 1833. Next question, number 67. 1,000 of slaves escaped from the U.S., followed the North Star, and settled in Canada via Underground Railroad.